Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing video of this old iMac, but it's new to me obviously because it's come in a box from eBay. So let's open it up. So I can see it, got to bring you guys a bit closer so you can. So there. Right, the first thing you can see is the Apple mouse right there, which is quite cool because it only has one button. Put that to the side for a minute. And as you can see in this bag is a very yellow keyboard, which I think was meant to be white. And there's the back as well. Let's put that to the side for a minute as well. And bubble wrap, always fun to pop at the end. Jesus is heavy. And finally, at the end is the iMac itself, which has a bit of tape which I should cut off for everything. Can't even see the screen, which wouldn't be useful. Because I think I guess we would turn it on, do a few things on it, see how it works and stuff. Wouldn't recommend buying this if you're going to use it for like YouTube and video editing and stuff every day, but there are still a few useful things which I'll go through in another video. I'll get a stupid bubble wrap like this. So right, we get the first proper shot of the iMac now. It's probably the wrong way to take it off, but whatever. Whoever's wrapped this has wrapped this very well, obviously. It's almost off, guys. Right. So if I bring you here. Right, so there's the iMac. As you see, the screen can go all the way round. So I'll set it up on the table. And we'll turn it on. So I think you can see the iMac is on the table. So, time for its first boot. The power button is somewhere on the back. I think. Where is it? There. Oh, for fuck's sake. Got to be kidding me. The power button's jammed. I think you can see there, it's just not pressing. Power's all in. I'm going to see if I can sort this out off camera. Right, so we managed to get the computer to come on, but it's come onto this screen now, which is telling me that the hard drive is dead. For goodness sake. Bloody iMac doesn't even work. Oh, as I say that, it's now turning on. don't even have a keyboard connected because I had the computer upside down trying to get it to switch on because it wasn't. Oh, I'm an idiot. Plugged in the bloody cable. Oh, it comes on napkins off. What? It's frozen. No, it's going now. So we're in the United Kingdom. We're British. I don't have an Apple ID. Don't create an Apple ID for me. And let me just put. No, not like that. Right, guys, I'm gonna cut the camera while I set this up. Right, I've got past that setup screen. Home, because I'm a large business. Retired, obviously. No. Continue. Let's pick a picture. Gingerbread man. Yeah, doesn't really need passwords, so I'm the only one using it. I'll probably forget to, and I don't know. I'll use my existing. I'll connect that later. I'm not ready to connect to the internet. Okay, later. Right, yeah, that's correct. Right, time's not correct, but I can't be bothered to set it in a minute. And done. Right. The hard drive sounds like it's crunching a bit, but we are into Mac OS. Alright, okay. So let me just minimise that a minute. And then got up here. That is Mac. Right, so 700 megahertz PowerPC G4, 768 megabytes of RAM. Funny thing is, most modern phones are probably faster than this computer. I might have to add a. That might be a fun video, adding an airport card maybe. So let's load up iMovie, let's see how old this version is. Could you quit, please? I'll create new project. Save as. G, just want to open iMovie. Then let's watch them back. Let's see about iMovie. Right, it's iMovie 3. Okay. Can we quit that? Yeah, don't save. Got Safari, but not connected to the internet. Mail, not connected to the internet. iChat, which is basically an old version of FaceTime. Email address book, iTunes, iPhoto. Let's have a look at that. Okay. Decide later. Alright. I like the brushed metal look. which is quite cool. Let's go to system preferences. Right, so no, you start on that, you idiot. That's why it's not turning on straight away. Right, I thought this was a fresh install, but it's quite obviously not, because we've got naught and antivirus on it. Display max. Yeah, I want millions of colours. Okay, that's better. That screen does go pretty bright. It's quite good. Classic. Okay, so we don't have iOS 9 on here. See if there's anything else in the Finder. Music, any music? No. It's got my applications folder. Right, this is nowhere near a fresh install. So we've got Opera, maybe you could actually connect to the internet with that. Or Cinematic Solutions. Oh, that's out of Norton. Oh, what, they removed Office then? It's got an Opera. Oh, that's the movie we just made. Photo library. Alright. So wait a sec, guys. Is this Office? That's Office Word for Mac 2001. This looks like a pretty old version of Opera though. Version 10.10, yeah. Old. Alright. Right. So I might say about there so I'm connected to Ethernet, so maybe you could browse the internet on this ancient computer. Yes. And then so no. Shut down. Yeah. Shut down. I laugh, this is the last time you would ever use it because it has the dodgy power button. But look, we can move the screen around, which is really cool. Just a quick word. Yes. Oh, that's why I'm trying to save it. Quick word. No. There you go, it's now actually shut it down because it's trying to save Word. Right, so I'm going to set it up and connect it to Ethernet now. Right guys, we're back set up in here because it's close to my internet now. So let's go into system preferences to connect to the internet. As we found that newer version of an internet web browser, we can actually try and get on the internet. Okay, that should be connected. Let's try a Safari, then we'll get the I think the one that might actually work. Right. Safari doesn't work because I think it's too old. Let's go into Finder. Come on man, I know you're happy, but at least work. Let's put that there. Import. Prove. Right, I'm still not 100% if this browser will even work. Nate, do you have any websites that you'd like us to try?
The ones on the bottom.
What ones? No, these are applications, Nate. Which website? Like YouTube and stuff.
YouTube.
I don't think this is going to work, guys, but we'll give it a go.
YouTube.
See. Someone tells me this is a dead old version. So yeah, what I'll do now is, if this doesn't load in the next, let's say, 10 seconds or something, well, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and get a newer version of an internet web browser, and then I'll come back to you with trying to, well, do something.